Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. Good morning from here at Hotel Jessica and Hudson. I'm just drinking some coffee. I've taken a lot of the stuff out to the car already, but I got my stuff set out over here so I can take a shower real quick and then load up the rest into the car. It's like 8 o'clock right now, so we're gonna stay here till 11 till we have to check out, but still updating the photos. It's not going that well. Oh, and if you see over here, I use these hangers as an impromptu like curtain closer because I didn't want anyone looking in. And he's so freaking cute. Look at this boy. You're all checked out of the hotel. And now we're gonna go to Buffalo Park since we're in Flagstaff. I'll take Hudson for a walk. And then we'll drive back into Sedona and find a campsite and maybe do a hike. But it's like 10:30 right now, so.
East toward East Lockett Road.
I'm not sure if we'll hike in Sedona today or not. We're finally at the park. Gonna take him for a walk. We're out of the hotel. Yeah, I know you're excited. He's an excited puppy. Let's go. Just like that, we're back at the beginning and the walk is over. We're leaving Buffalo Park, headed back to Sedona. We got like an hour drive. Back at the magical spring, gonna fill up my water and then hop back in the car. Just refilled this 7-gallon jug. Got my buddy here. And we're gonna go to camp now. That's right, we back on Forest 525. Hudson is loving it. He loves it. Yes. All right, let's find a camp spot, fella. We're back at our favorite campsite. And I'm gonna make some grilled cheese. Cook up some grilled cheese for lunch, Huts. How's that sound? Now for the moment of truth. Could use a soup to dunk with it. It does taste like a grilled cheese. Or quesadilla. It's just cheese and a tortilla. It tastes pretty good. Nothing wrong with a grilled cheese. Let's try the one that I put pork rinds into. I actually think the cheese flavored pork rinds kind of work. It just adds a little crunch to it and a different type of cheese flavor. All right, Huts, let's go for a walk. You're a good boy. Let's go walking. This way. Baba, this way. Yeah. We're on our walk. Feelings update for the day. Kind of feeling just blah today. Like, not really happy or sad. Just kind of living. I was just trying to get stuff done. Trying to get stuff uploaded while I was at the hotel this morning. Trying to get Hudson some exercise. Not really like in the mood to film today too much, so I haven't. Yeah, just kind of a meh kind of day. That's all right. Not every day is like as exciting as others. Tomorrow I want to go on a good hike, but today was just a meh. It is amazing like how much more quiet and peaceful it is out here. Now that it's like a weekday, that it's a Monday. The weekend just brings a different vibe. Not a bad vibe, just like more energy. Right now it's like peaceful and calm. It's not so hyped up. It's nice. We got a Hutsy up there. Oh yeah. Hudson. Hello. Come here. Come here. Yeah. You're my guy. You're my guy. You're my dude. Huh? You bring the energy. Where'd it go? Huts. It's over there. It's over there. Look. Over here. Yeah. Hi. He's been playing over here, digging a little bit. We'll fill it in before we leave, but yeah, you're just having fun. You're playing with the ball, burying it, digging it back out, losing it. You're such a good boy. Still playing with the pup, and the sunset is starting to come around. Looking pretty awesome out here. We got nice pinks in the sky tonight. I gotta pick this stuff up, put it away. We got about like, I don't know, 30 minutes or an hour, and then it'll be dark. Yo, probably 30 minutes. Probably 30 minutes? Okay. Okay. Let's pick up your toys. Yeah.